My name is Sawyer. Before I turned my age into an advantage, I turned my mindset into one. Now I make over 100,000 bucks every week and own international real estate. You will learn my approach in Telegram through free lessons and signals. Join my community and message me. See what's truly possible. Some of my favorite trades last less than 30 seconds. Tiny impulses barely visible on the chart, but that's where precision lives. Small moves, small risk, consistent reward. Short doesn't mean weak, it means sharp. We are opening a sell trade here right after pullback, going with the trend. Let's highlight the working area. The trend is so strong that the price doesn't even touch the upper downtrend band. We also see the CCI leaving the oversold zone, which confirms our entry. When trading with the trend, the key is to watch the overbought zone. That's where real reversals happen. 20 seconds left. Want to start in trading but don't know how to begin? In my Sawyer community on Telegram you will get free practice, real strategy, breakdowns and daily trading signals with over 70% win rate. No fees, no nonsense, just results. Join us and see how fast you can grow when you learn the right way. And both trades close easily in profit. I avoid overclicking. One good trade beats 5 random ones. The goal is flow, not frenzy. Speed tests discipline, not luck. The faster the move, the slower I breathe. Control stays internal. We are opening a buy trade here, watching the ADX dynamics closely. Right now ADX is around 58, which means a trend change is likely coming soon. We also see a touch on the lower band, a new local low, and the CCI leaving the oversold zone, all pointing to an upward move. I'm not expecting a huge impulse, but a small pullback upward should happen. Last few seconds. And yes, the trade closes in profit. I end each day by reviewing reactions, not just results. Did I move too early or too late? That question shapes tomorrow's accuracy, because mastery isn't winning, it's understanding why. Precision is endless practice. I never chase after a candle that's already moved. If you see the move, you are already late. I prepare before it happens. I identify pressure zones and traps. When price hits the area, I'm ready to act instantly. Preparation makes reaction possible. I built this community, so you don't have to waste money on fake mentors. Inside my Telegram group you will train for free, analyze real market situations, learn profitable setups, and receive signals with 70% accuracy daily. Start now and master trading through real practice, not empty promises.